Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a sign-up form in Signup Genius. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you come to the Signup Genius website is log in or create an account. As you can see, I've already done so on signupgenius.com. You can either sign up with your email address and password, or you can sign up via Facebook. If you know that you're going to be doing a lot of things via Facebook, that's probably the route to go. But once you've logged in, or you've signed up and you've logged in, what you want to do is you want to click the green button in the upper right-hand corner that says Create a Sign-Up. And then once you do that, you're going to see the initial sign-up form design themes here. Now, depending on what you're creating a sign-up for, we're going to be doing this tutorial around a snack list for a youth sports team, okay? So what you may want to do here is go ahead and under theme design is search for something related to your sign-up form that you're trying to create. So go here and find the one that you may want to do here. So I want mine to look like this. It's a baseball sign-up form. Looks like this. Looks really good. All right, so we have our theme set. That's always the first thing that I do. And then we're going to title the name or give the name of the sign-up form here. And then once you've typed in the title of your sign-up form, go ahead and give the group a name. And as you can see, the group name is going to be what comes up or shows up at the top of the form, as you can see here. If you do want to see an active view of what it's looking like as you're designing and inputting everything, just scroll down to see where the theme you selected here below, and you'll be able to see exactly what that looks like down below. All right, so type category, we have a drop-down menu here. I'm going to go ahead and leave that at general. If it's for fundraising, scheduling, or volunteering, you can select those there. Also, a category and use. As you can see, there's a bunch of these. I'm going to go ahead and just type in sports and recreation just for the purposes of this video. As you can see here, we have the design of our form or sign-up list here. We've inputted everything we've asked for up here. Now what we want to do is go to the next phase of our process. And in order to do that, you just scroll down to the bottom of this page and go to Save and Continue. Date and time settings will come up first. So basically, this one here is dependent upon where you're located around the world. So go ahead and input that information here. And once you do that, go ahead and click the green Save button below. Now, next is going to be select the format for your sign up. Now, you can sort by date, you can sort by slot, you can sort by slots only, and you can see below all of these options are available to you here. Now, what I like to do is sort mine by date, especially for the purposes of this video, and it shows you exactly what that will look like down below. Once you've decided on how you want to sort your sign-up form, you then can go ahead and start adding dates or slots. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and add dates. So we are going to be having a game on the 21st. And then once you've added your dates, like I did earlier, you need to give a start and end time. The game starts at 8, ends at 9, and then the location would be like a field number or a game number. Again, you get the point here, right? Add all your information once you've added your dates or slots, and then go ahead and once you are good to go ahead and go to Add, the green Add button there. And as you can see, this is going to show you exactly what it looks like. So here is the time, here's the location. If you want to, you can edit or delete that by clicking the pencil to edit and the X to delete, and then you'll have the available slot. All right, once you've added your dates and information, you then have to go and add the slots. So we have available slot here. Go ahead and where you see the customize here, we will go and add slots. So add dates first and then slots. So is this a single slot? If it is, this is the information you want here. Is it a bulk slot? So is there multiple slots for this sign up, for this time and day? If that's the case, you can add them here, give a name, and make sure that you separate them one slot per line here. And then the comment, you can add a comment to that if you want. We're going to add a single slot. Once you've added all the information here, you can select the number wanted. Are there multiple? Are there only individual slots? And then you can see all dates here. Now, once you've added the information here, go to Save. As you can see, the slot is available. It's got our name here and the number of slots that we've added. Once you've added your dates and the slots for those selected dates, go ahead and click the green Save and Continue. Now, ask participants for. This is going to be the information when you send out the link to your sign-up form that is gathered from Signup Genius. You want their name, that's required. Is their email required? You can select the drop-down menu to make it optional or required, and then comment is optional or required. Again, I normally leave that as optional. If you wanted to, you can go to edit here on any of these other than email and name, and you can add something else if that's something that you want to do. If you add something like phone or address, you can always go here and select those, make those optional or required if that's something that you want to do. Again, you can gather as much or as little information from these questions as possible. Now, down below are our preferences. General settings are going to be allow people to swap slots with each other. I normally uncheck that because it does get confusing, but if you want that to be a case, you can do that here below. Now, there is a premium version of Signup Genius. My wife and I, who have done this many times before, have never had the premium version, and it works just fine. People will just have to see ads, and then they'll see the Signup Genius branding, which for me is not a problem. So that's all the general settings here. Under notifications, notify me by email when people sign up. This one's probably a good idea unless you have a very big sign-up list for like a whole school or a whole grade level, whatever it may be. You may want to uncheck that. Also, send people reminders 2 days in advance. This is a very good option to check. That way, if someone's supposed to be bringing a snack for the game for this weekend on a Thursday, they'll get a reminder saying, hey, don't forget you signed up for this slot, and you can change the number of days as well. Restrictions are going to be enhanced security. None of this is going to be something you need unless you just really want that. You can limit the number of users. You can have start and stop dates. Again, all of that's for premium version of Signup Genius. If that's what you want, you can look into that further. And then under integrations, anything here, if you're like a crowdfunder or trying to do something like that, all of that's under premium as well. So I've already showed you everything that you want to do with the free version of Signup Genius. Now, when you're ready, what you want to do is click the green Save and Continue button, and then you're going to have the draft list available to you here. Once you hit Publish here, you can always go back and edit, but you do want to scroll down here and see kind of what it looks like. When it's sent to someone, they're going to have like a sign up button where they can click that. As you can see here down below, they're going to have the nice little theme that you've set up, the name and all of that information. If you want to see what it looks like on mobile, you can click the little phone icon here, and it'll show you what it looks like on mobile as well. And then when you are ready to go, you can either publish when you're ready to send out, or you can save it as a draft. I'm going to go ahead and show you, this is going to be a participant or sign up preview. If you click on the participant form preview, you can see here exactly what it looks like down below. A great tool. Once you're ready to go, click publish, and then it says, please enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email address. So whatever you logged up with, you will get a confirmation code. And the easiest way is just remembering or copying that code. So make sure you know what that code is, and then type it here in the code box on the website again and go to continue. And as you can see, you are ready to go. Don't forget to send invites, and then you just get the phone numbers or email addresses of the people you're trying to send the form to. Copy your link, which is this here. You can just go to copy link and then just right click, copy it if that's what you want to do. And I'm going to go ahead and paste that link here and show you what that looks like. Here it is. Here's the sign up form that we just created. If you want to go back and edit or kind of revise what you've done here, you can always go to basically your signups here. Go to signups, and you can see here's the ones that we've created. And then you can always hit the pencil icon to edit the sign up by going here, and you can edit exactly everything that we've already done. You can see reports as well by clicking the reports option here and going to stats as far as the amount of people who have signed up and the volunteer numbers. All of that's going to be on our left-hand side here on the left. That's it. That's how you create a form with Signup Genius. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.